Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn safety and first aid big part. Safety and first aid big part. Okay. Page number 33 lo ye bit nana tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. First one, see children. If you get cut by a dirty or rusted object, you may get fracture or sprain. Option C, rabies. Option D, tetanus. Which one, children? If you get cut by a dirty or rusted object, you may get option A, fracture. Option B, sprain. Option C, rabies. Option D, tetanus. Which one? Because yes, tetanus. You may get tetanus. Option D. Tetanus. Immediately get tetanus. Next, the second one. Second is the correct answer. The rabies virus is carried by cockroaches, hens, dogs, rabbits. Which one? C. Option C. Dogs. D-O-G-S. Dogs. The rabies virus is carried by dogs. Next, third one. For putting out a fire caused by petrol, we should switch off the electricity, apply. Option B, turn out the gas supply. Option C, throw water on it. And D, throw lots of sand on it. Which one is correct answer? Option D is correct answer. Throw lots of sand on it. For putting out a fire caused by petrol, we should throw lots of sand and mud on it. Next one, fourth one. Nail polish, naphthalene balls and paints may contain sugar, salt, poison, juice. Which one contains nail polish and naphthalene balls? Yes, this contains poison. Option C is correct answer. Poison. Understand children? First one D, tetanus. Second pick the correct answer C, dogs. Third pick the correct answer D, throw lots of sand on it. And fourth one C, poison. These are the pick the correct answers options. D, C, D, C. Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks. Next B beat, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here see children, fill in the blanks. When the skin is cut by a rusted object, the injection one must take is called a dash injection. One must take is called as a dash injection. Which injection when the skin is cut by a rusted object? Yes, anti-tetanus injection. Anti-tetanus injection. Anti-tetanus injection. We will know first one. When the skin is cut by a rusted object, the injection one must take is called a anti-tetanus injection. Next, second one. Second, fill in the blank. Dash causes swelling and sometimes discoloration of the skin. Sprains. S-P-R-A-I-N-S. Sprains. Third, fill in the blank. An easily available object like sheets of newspaper or pillow can be used as dash to give support to a broken bone. Splinter to give support to a broken bone. Here write splinter. Okay. Fourth, fill in the blank. And if your fire is caused by an electrical gadget, do not throw dash on it. Do not throw water on it. Do not throw water on it. And fifth, fill in the blank. Destroy all dash which have crossed their expiry dates. Medicines. Destroy all medicines which have crossed their expiry dates. Right here, medicines. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks answers. First one, anti-tetanus injection. Second one, sprines. Third one, splint. Fourth one, water. Fifth one, medicine. Okay children, these are the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Next, page number 35. See children, read the clues and fill in the boxes. Read the clues and fill in the blanks. FB children, read the clues and fill in the boxes. Here see children, a cut by a rusted object may cause this dash. Here given T, again T, here given S letter. You can identify which word this one. Yes, tetanus. Tetanus. First one, what is the first one answer? A cut by a rusted object may cause this tetanus. Next, a crack or a break in a bone called. Even the crack and bone, break a bone is called as fracture. Fracture. Third one. Second one, fracture. Third one, a tight bandage for stopping the flow of blood from a wound. What is the tight bandage called as? Tourniquet. Here given some clues. T-O and U-R-N-I-Q-E-E-T. Okay, you write here T-O-U-R-N-I-Q-U-E-T. Tourniquet. Okay, fourth one, use it to give support to a broken bone is splinter. SP here given L-I-N-T. Splinter. Fifth one, a virus carried by dogs, cats and bats carry this virus, rabies virus. R-A-B-I-E-S, rabies virus. Next, the sixth one, causes swelling and sometimes discoloration of the skin is sprine. Sprine. Sixth one, sprines. Sixth one, sprine. Next, seventh one, can happen when you throw water on fire caused by defective wiring. Electrocution. E-L-E-C-T-R-O-C-U-T. Electrician. Okay. Next, draw a line to match these road signs with their meanings. G-bit, Nana, you can do this G-bit. Draw a line to match these road signs with their meanings. No entry, no pedestrians, no honking, no left turn, cycle prohibited, and no right turn, no U-turn, speed breaker. Which one is? You can match them, the road sign. Okay? Complete G-bit. Have you understand children? Once again I repeat you. Tick the correct answer. Check it once in your textbook, page number 33. Tick the correct answer. First one, if you get cut by a dirty or rusted object, you may get tetanus. And the rabies virus is carried by dogs. For putting out a fire caused by petrol, we should throw a lot of sand and mud on it. And nail polish and naphthalene balls and paints may contain poison. These are the correct answers. Next, fill in the blanks, check it. When the skin is cut by a rusted object, the injection one must take is called a anti-tetanus injection. Which injection, children? Anti-tetanus injection. Next, dash causes swelling and sometimes discoloration of the skin. Sprines. S-P-R-A-I-N-S. Next, third one, an easily available object like sheets of newspaper A pillow can be used as dash to give support to a broken bone splint. Fourth, fill in the blank. If a fire is caused by an electrical gadget, do not throw water on it. Next, fifth one, destroy all dash which have crossed their expiry dates medicines. First, fill in the blank answer anti-tetanus. Second one, sprine. Third one, splint. Fourth one, water. Fifth one, medicines. Okay, children. Next. Open your notebook, science notebook, and keep heading safety and first aid. Safety and first aid, and write the hard words. Keep heading hard words. H-A-R-D, hard. W-O-R-D-S, words, hard words. Okay. And now write, children, hard words. First one, safety rules, S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety, R-U-L-E-S, safety rules. Second one, road signs, R-O-A-D, road, S-I-G-N, sign. Next, third one, scratches, S-C-R-A-T-C-H-E-S, scratches. Fourth one, antiseptic lotion, Fifth one, anti-tetanus injection, anti-tetanus injection. Sixth one, sprines. Seventh one, discoloration. Eighth one, fracture. Ninth one, tourniquet. Okay. Next. Tenth one, right here I am writing here. You also write continuous. Splint. 11th one, electrician, E-L-E-C-T-R, electro, C-U-T-I, wait Nana. 12th one, poisoning, P-O-I-S-O-N-I-N-G, poisoning. These 12 words written right in your notebook. Okay, children? Okay, first one safety rules, second one road sign, third one scratches, antiseptic lotion, anti-tetanus injection, sixth one sprines, discoloration, fracture, tourniquet, splint, electrician, poisoning. These 12 words written right two times and learn spellings. Okay, learn with spelling, children. Each and every spelling learn perfectly. Have you understand? Thank you so much.